Academy. Right now we will discuss about how you can find your competitor. Suppose you have a website. So for example, we take a website that is named buysellwebsite.com. So let us open this website. We see here buy sell website. Now this domain name buy sell website is having the main keyword what this business they are actually doing. It is already written in the domain name. This type of domain name is called exact match domain name. Now exact match domain name, you might find some benefit for the SEO rank since the keyword is already in your domain name, but we recommend always you should select a domain name as per your brand name. It should be a remember, you can, so that your potential customers can remember the name of your brand. So like google.com, yahoo.com, there is no exact meaning of these domains, but they are still a big brand. So try to find out the good name in your domain, and then you can put down the content. You can write the content as per what your business is. But exact match domain, earlier most of the cases the SEO guys, the webmasters, they try to find out the exact match domain name so that they can get advantage in the SEO ranking, but nowadays it is not required. We recommend that always go for a branded domain name. Well, coming to the point about competitive search, so what we can see here, this website is mostly dealing with like a marketplace for selling and buying of websites. Now first of all, to find out the competitor of this website, what we would do the keyword research. Now as we have earlier discussed in video module about how we can do the keyword research, here we do the manual keyword research first. So we write the primary word here, related word. Primary is your buy websites. Related is, of course, if you need to buy websites, so it's you have to sell website. It can be a marketplace of websites, or you can say website marketplace. Now here the entity and local, this is not mandatory. In keyword research we have discussed that you can derive the long tail keywords from primary, related, entity and local, but this is not always a hard and fast rule that you have to segregate in primary, related, entity and local. Rather you have to focus what would be the search string or keywords that your potential customer can search in Google or any other search engine to find out your business. So here we can form the long tail keyword like this: buy and sell your website, or we can say sell websites, we can say buy websites online, we can say website marketplace. Now what we will do, we will search with this keyword in Google. Say we copy this buy and sell your website, so we copy this and we go to google.com and we search with this keyword. So we click on this. Now you see here 10 places to sell your website. You can see Flippa. So flippa.com, we can say this is one competitor of them. Again you can click on this site point forum and you can see the 10 names of other websites. So you can see here Flippa is, again they have written flippa.com, then the buy sell website.com is also written over here, then forums.digitalpoint is there, gigvillage.com forums is there. So you can see the name of the competitors from this list as well. Also you can see Flippa is here, you can see webuywebsites.org. So in this way you can find out the name of the competitors. Now there is another way. For example, we take another website, say arijitsworkout.com. So this is the website. So from the name itself we can see it's a workout website. That means it's a fitness training website. Now you would see, again we would do the keyword research. So we can see it's a slimming center weight management, free hand exercise classes, we can see from the website itself. So you do the keyword research again here. So it is basically fitness is my primary word, and then related is yoga, then weight loss, then height growth, then Pilates. So these are the different kind of related services they provide. Now entity, of course, it's a center. Of course, it's basically a training center. It can be a health club. Now local, of course, it is in Kolkata. How you can find it? You can find it from the website itself, from their contact. So this is in Kolkata. So we can find out the long tail like this: fitness training center in Kolkata. Now you can find weight loss training classes in Kolkata. So let's take this word, and if we search in Google, so fitness training centers in Kolkata, we find Rush Fitness here. So Rush Fitness website, we can check this. So this is their competitors. Rush Fitness is there. Then we can see here, like, these are the listing sites. We would not consider this listing sites. We have to find out the exact company, exact training center here. So not the listing sites. So we can find here again talworkers.net there also. Then we can see again the next page. We'll move to next page. We can, so Health Frog we can see. Then so these are different 3 or 4 competitor websites we can find from this. Now there is another method. So this is called the long tail keyword. If you find with the long tail keywords in Google, you can find out the name of the competitors. And if there is another option, like if you type Origins workout here, originsworkout.com, you type on Google. Now you see their website itself. Now you see this arrow, you click on this, you click on the similar, and you see the different other names here. So not exactly the related things we are getting here from Just Dial. We are getting here, this is the listing sites. From the listing sites we can see the name of the competitors like Talworkers, State Makers. So from this is another method. You can find out the name of the competitors. So there are basically 2 methods. One is with the keyword, long tail keyword search in Google, you can get the name of other competitors, and the another one is you can click on this right arrow and click on this similar, and you can get the competitor website here. Thank you.